Okay, and so are we live? We should be live now. Are we starting? Everything is looking good so far. Okay. All right. Right. So what I thought I would do is I would do a small, well, I don't know if it's going to be small, but a small weekend project, and I want to do a tower defense game. Okay, just basically on a whim, I decided I wanted to do this, and so I'm just going to go for it. So yeah, terminal, and I'm going to start a brand new project. Okay. So okay. Is this big enough? Should I make this bigger? Let me see now. View. Yeah, is that okay? It's probably okay, isn't it? Okay. You know what? I'll make it a bit bigger. Because I do get comments from people that they can't read it well enough. Okay. So there we are. Now, which editor am I going to use? I am going to use Sublime. Sublime and just main.c. So there we are. Gonna save that. Let me start with a simple hello world program. Okay. Tower, I'm gonna call it tower main.c. Boom. And tower. There we are. Okay, step one. Step one done. What else do I want to do? I want to use SDL2. I'm going to use SDL2 for the graphics. Okay, so include now. Hold on here. I think is what is it now? Is it user include SDL2? No. Really? I do have SDL2 on my computer. Yeah. Okay, so that was weird. I don't know why it did that. Okay. So, okay, it's SDL.h. Okay, that's the mistake. Okay, fair enough. So user include. There we are. Okay, now that should work. And L SDL2. I think that's right. Okay, we're gonna find out in a second. So, let me see what I'm gonna do here now. I'm just gonna Google SDL2. So, SDL2. No, don't. Okay. SDL init. Yeah, okay, let's go with that for a second. Let me, do I want I don't want 1,000 by 1,000. Now, I don't know if I want that either, but we'll see. Okay, and I don't actually see the okay. Oh, okay. I don't like that already. Okay. The flags, okay. Flags may be any of the following or together. I don't want it to be full screen, okay? At least not yet. Maybe later on I'll make it full screen. For now, I don't want to make it full screen. Now, I'm not going to do something fancy with 3D graphics and stuff like that, so... Okay, so that's the basic event loop. I need that there. I don't know yet what I'm gonna call it, so... Okay. Why not close? Don't need any of that. That might just work. Okay, switch here. Then that belongs to the other switch. That belongs to the while. That belongs to the other while. Oh. Okay. Now, has that improved things? Ah, yeah. Okay, now I can close it by right-clicking the icon. Okay, I still see nothing. If I do Alt F4. Yeah, okay. So it just pulls a buffer off the screen, right? So what we see here is nonsense, but it's, you see the title Tower Defense, and then when we close, then boom, it closes the application. So at a very basic level, this works, okay? So now, okay, I'm gonna say tow render. Let me do scene render CB. Okay, I don't know yet what that's gonna do in terms of taking arguments or anything, but there. Now, what else do I want to do? I want to use Cairo, okay, for the rendering. So, Cairo.h. Okay, let Cairo create image. So copy. So I'm gonna call this graphic setup. I'm gonna clean that up later, okay? CS equals width is gonna be 1920. That's gonna be 1080. And then the format is going to be AR. Do I want ARGB? Yeah, I do. Okay. And then Cairo. Is it Cairo create? I think those are correct, but I don't know for sure. So now user include Cairo L Cairo. Ah, okay, it does appear to compile. Okay, it does compile and run. Okay. What I'm gonna do is so this compiles. Okay, I'm just gonna take that. Right? It's that way, isn't it? Okay. No, it's this way. Yeah. Okay. So that compiles. Okay. Okay, so next step, what do I want? I want SDL2 with Cairo. SDL, make a great companion library to Cairo, okay. Cairo surface. Okay. So do I have to create an RGB surface? I think I do. Okay, I do. And SDL2 display SDL2 surface. Okay. So display the surface. How do I display surface setup and windowing? Okay, initialize, create the window. Okay, get the surface from the window. Fill surface with a white rectangle. Update the Windows display. Okay. Fill rect. Okay. Okay. Here we have a surface, SDL2 surface, and we create an image based on that data. So I'm going to put it properly in a function later, but what I first want to do is this. Okay? SDL surface, wind surface. We're getting this here. Okay. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do. I'm not happy with this, but I'm gonna do it for now because I just want to see that it works. That should basically create a white window. Mm-hmm. Oh, hold on. Incompatible types. Because that should be pointer. Okay. Ah. There we are. I'll see if I can make it pop up on the other screen, right? So is that gonna work now? No. I'm gonna have to do this every time. Okay. Uh, SDL2 set to other monitor. You can use a set window position if you know the boundaries of the second monitor. Can I here? Okay. Monitor. No. Okay. Display bounds. Window display index. Okay. So, okay, so here they call it a display. so get num video displays. Okay. But really what I want is okay. Okay, I think I know what I need to do. Okay. So as they get display bounds, so I'm going to initialize SDL, then display index. I have two screens, so it would be 0 and 1 presumably, right? So SDL rect R1 R1. Oh, hold on, no, can't be a pointer, right? Print F first display width and height. Yeah, I'm gonna do X and Y, okay, just to see what it says. So it's going to be r1.x, r1.y, r1.w, r1.h. Okay. And then second display. And then I'm just going to quit out of that. Okay, so first display, right, and you see how it says 1920. Okay, so I think all that really means is if I do, because it treats the whole thing like it's one big screen, right? So when 0, 0. Of course, that makes this a little bit weird. In fact, it might be as simple as me doing this. Oh yeah, okay. That's all I had to do. I had to put 0, 0 here. Okay, because basically my first screen is in the center and then my other screen is to the right of that. So okay. So so that's one thing sorted. It's on the monitor that I want it to be on. Now the other thing I want to sort out is here, instead of that being a hold on a minute now. I have to put that out of the loop. Okay, it doesn't make sense for that to be inside the loop. Okay. And now we go back to here. Okay, so So never mind that. Cairo surface CS equals, and then now that's going to be wind surface. I'm going to change all those names, but for now I want the basics to work. Okay. In fact, what do I want to call this? Let's just what do I want to call that? Windows CS. Okay, I'm gonna call it that. No. Windows Surf. Okay, I'm gonna call it that. Because it's a surface, right? It's an SDL surface. So there we are. Boom. Now, is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? I don't know. Okay. And so now in theory here I should be able to do Cairo calls. Okay. So if I do Cairo move to 0, 0, and then Cairo line 2, Cairo set source RGB, and let's make it red. Okay, so in theory now I should have a white surface with a red line on it. Okay, it didn't work. Cairo create. Ah, nice. Okay, so now, okay, now we have all the fundamentals in place. Okay, we can create a window. Oops, hit the mic. Sorry. So we can create a window and we can manipulate the image on that window. Okay, and that's very good, and that's half the battle. Okay. Okay, what am I going to do here now? Set source RGB. I'm gonna make this gray. Okay, a fairly dark gray. Because, you know, otherwise that white all the time jumping out, probably not great. Not working. Okay. Why? That should work now. Oh. That's not working. Oh, really? I don't see anything wrong with this. Okay, not gonna think about it too much. Chiral rectangle. Oh my. What? What's the problem here? Oh? Okay, I don't understand. Okay, yeah, so it's still compiling. It's still compiling. But somehow I can't change the surface anymore. Oh, okay, that's weird. Did I just make it too big? Oh. That is bizarre. That is bizarre. When you look at this, so 100 by 1,000, it looks like it makes a white triangle against this gray background. Right? Is it? So this, is that the call that's not working? What's up with that? What? It's not a separate color for fill and stroke. Okay, what color is the line gonna be? No, it's a yellow line. Okay. But if I do a rectangle, whew. Documentation, samples. Chiral arc, chiral fill. It's that reddish thing. Yeah. That's not what's missing. That doesn't need to be. Oh my goodness, I didn't want to be slowed down by this. Oh, I know. I know. They have to be 0 to 1. Okay. Okay, so now. So what I originally wanted to do that should do it. Yeah. Okay, nice. Now, what does this do? This only just makes it white. So, well, it was originally. So I don't need that. Okay, so now I want to do a bit of cleanup. Okay, now I want to make this all look nice. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I don't have a name yet for the game, other than Tower Defense. So I'm just gonna call it struct T. That's what I'm gonna call it. Okay. And inside that, I'm going to have an SDL window, win, an SDL surface. That's going to be the Windows surface. I'm going to have surface D, and I'm going to call it scene. Will I call it scene CS or just scene? Scene CS, okay. And okay, do I like that? I'm not entirely sure yet that I like that, but okay. Type def struct T, and I'm gonna call it T. T for tower defense, okay. I'm gonna use capital T. Okay. Here I'm gonna do tau init. Okay. Clean that up a little bit. Okay. memset. Okay, I didn't include string.h. So that memset can work. Is that it? No, that's not everything. Missed the comma. Okay. That's it. That's it. Okay. What do I want to do with this? I don't know yet. Okay, I don't know how I feel about that. I don't want to focus too much now on the monitors and my specific situation with the monitors. So I'm just gonna put that by the wayside for now, and I'm gonna think about this later. So oh yeah, that's for the flags, right? Okay. Do I want to keep that full screen like that? I can't be exactly right because yeah. Oh, hold on. Okay. Maybe that includes the entirety of the window. Window surf H. So no, 1080. Okay, I don't know. Not gonna think too hard about that one now. 800 by 6. What if I do? I don't know, something like that. So create the window. Graphic setup, so that's gonna happen in Tau init. Basically, all of that should happen in Tau init, right? Okay, and does that work? That did not compile. Okay. Okay. So I think that looks reasonably clean here. How init, we initialize SDL2, we create the window. If okay, to make it all clean. That we really I should do that for everything, isn't it? I'm not gonna do for everything right now, but I'm gonna do for a few things. So get window surface, get window surface, return value, returns the surface or null or failure. Okay, let's see, get error. So that's all the error checking I'll do for now. Failed to get SDL to window surface. Okay. Now, so that is that boilerplate done. And okay, so there we are. And so that's the actual rendering. Oh. Okay, so that's the rendering part where obviously we're gonna have to make that a lot better, but for now it's good. Then tau scene render CB. Okay. The events. What am I gonna do with that? Will I call it? Alright, tau process key CB. Okay, I can do that. Okay. Yeah, they're not really all of them. Okay. Really just this that are the keys, isn't it? Okay, I don't know about using the scan code, but I'm gonna leave like this like that for now because I don't wanna think about it too much. What I want to do is when I press X, the game does exit. Okay, that's one thing that I want to see happen. The event. Okay, I need event here as a variable. What am I gonna do with that? Do I pass it on as an extra variable, or do I put it in the main struct? Okay, I'm gonna do it the lazy way for now and pass it on like this, but I'm gonna have to do this properly later and put it in the main struct, I think. Yeah. So like this. Here, does that still compile? No, it doesn't. Okay. Okay, because that's now. Does that compile? No. Okay. Okay, we have a while and a switch. Okay, that's it. Did I lose a bracket here somewhere? No. Expected expression before. That's 42. Oh, nearly there. Okay, expected declaration or statement at end. That belongs to the while. That belongs to the switch. Okay. The event, and then here. That's not the issue, but what is it complaining about? Okay, I think we have a fairly clean main function now. Ah, okay. Yep. There we are. Okay. So this, I want to clean this up further, and if I do tower now and I press X, no. That doesn't work though. Okay. Now it works. Okay. So we have something half decent now. Okay. We have something half decent now, and now I want to move on to, I mean, it still can use a bit of polish, but it's okay for now. Now I want to move on to actually designing the game. Okay, so I'm gonna go for a bathroom break. I'm gonna take 5 minutes ish, and then I'm gonna be back. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay. So now what I want to do is focus on the actual design of the game. Okay. Let's make this green. Okay. So I imagine there's just grass in the background or something. Yeah, I guess that's a bit better. Okay, not much difference, but that's okay. So, a tower defense game. So what am I going to need? I'm going to need creatures that can move across the screen. Okay, so that's number one. That's number one. And then I'm going to need a path along which those creatures are moving. Okay? Okay. I am going to create the creature first. Okay? And okay, maybe I call it creature, literally creature, because I don't know what to call it. What would be a good name for those things? They are like villains, enemies, villains. Villain. Okay. Phil. Why not? Okay, and int X, int Y. Do you want those to be doubles? I don't think I do want them to be doubles to begin with. Okay. And then here I'm gonna have Vil. A 100 or something. Okay. Type def struct villain Vil. And max villains okay. And for now, X and Y is all I have. Yes. Okay, X and Y. So villain create. Okay. There we are. I think for convenience, I'm gonna use 3 letters because I'm just used to 3 letters for types. I don't know. I might make the mistake. We'll see. We'll see how that works out. Okay. How do I want to go about this? It's an array, so yeah, so they're all I'm gonna call that okay, I'm gonna call it born. Okay, because this is an array, so the memory will be there, but when they're born, then they're actually on the scene to be rendered. So create so well not v plus equal 1 v born equals 1 the x equals 100 vy equals 100. Okay, so let's just see if that compiles. No. Struct villain what have I missed here? Oh, that shouldn't be there. Array has incomplete element type. Why is it incomplete? that doesn't need to come first, doesn't it? That shouldn't matter. It does. Okay. Bit surprised by that. Okay, but not gonna worry about it now. So underneath here I want tau villains render. Okay. So I created the villain. Now I yeah. So now I have to display it. So okay, I'm gonna do a triangle. Do I want to do it now? No. Cairo set source RGB. Cairo arc. VX. VY 10 0 Cairo fill. Conflicting types. Okay. So now, but that was supposed to be 100 and 100. Ah. No, that has to be while v. Yeah. Yeah, that has to be while v, and here. That shouldn't be here. Instead, yeah, just like this. So that should be, okay. You expect that to be 0, right? Okay, let's just confirm that that's the case. So I'm gonna do it with a debug compiler flag. Okay. B165. Oh, hold on. I never called the function. Yeah. Yeah, I never called a function. I never called the function why I create the villain. Okay. That's the wrong place. Okay. Okay. I created an infinite loop somewhere or did something or other. Okay. How create villain? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Why did that not work? Yeah, of course. Yeah. Yeah. I know why I did. Okay. So at 100. Okay. So now I need to think. Okay, because what we want. Okay. So the way it's gonna happen, right? Is we're gonna need level setup. Okay. And obviously a lot is gonna have to happen there. For now, we're just gonna brush over that. So we set up the level, which for now involves creating that single creature. Then we get into the main loop. And we render. But before we render, now again, I'm not entirely happy with this, but I'm gonna accept that for now. Game logic, okay? And then Okay, so that should simply move it to the left. Okay. All right. So now what that means is villain create. So I'm gonna do int x, int y. Villain create, and here villain create. Here I'm gonna do 100. No, I'm gonna do 800, 100, and I'm gonna do 300. So now I should have two creatures that are gonna move to the left. Okay. Villains render. Yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna want to change that later, but for now, that's good. Okay. No, apparently not. No. Up. Yeah. Okay. So at a very simplistic level now, we can create creatures on the screen. We can put them there. What is the next thing I want? I want. See, in a tower defense game, there is a path, and the creatures crawl along the path. Right? So okay. 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 So I need a path. I need to create a path around which those creatures are gonna crawl. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start with a very simple, very simple path. Okay, and I'm gonna improve it. Yeah. So void path render. And the path will have to be drawn before the villains are drawn. Okay, and then now here, okay. I just want to decide what kind of color I'm gonna go for when it comes to the path. Let me go with that for now. Okay. So 107, 78, 45. 107 divided by 256, or is it 255 or 256? Doesn't matter much. 0.42, let's call that. 78 divided by 255. No, 78 divided by 255. 0.31, I'm gonna call it, and then 45 divided by 255 is 0.18. So 0.42, 0.31, 0.18. Okay, move to, okay, yeah, and now and now, okay, I'm just gonna write down numbers for now. What is the window width again? 1600. I'm gonna organize that better later, but for now I'm gonna do it like this. Okay, so 300. So Cairo line 2, 1000, and then 700, and then Cairo line 2 CR. And Cairo stroke. And now Cairo set line width, and I want this to be okay, not exactly what I expected. What did I just do here? Okay, is that closer? No. Okay, we're gonna call that for now. And That's not right. That might be right. Oh, okay. Right. So now I should make those, where is it? Now I should make those creatures crawl along the path. That's the thing now, right? Make the creatures crawl along the path. In order to do that, I need to make sure that the path is made up out of nodes. Okay, so basically a node here, a node there, a node there, a node there, right? I need those nodes, and I'm just gonna draw the path from node to node, because then it's also going to move the creatures from node to node, right? Okay. So I need another thing. Okay, type def struct node. Am I just gonna call it node? I think I am. I'm just gonna call it node. Okay. As I make the game, as I flesh it out more, I might change my mind. I might do other things. For now, okay. Max nodes, and I'll leave it at 100 as well. And then here, node path. There we are. And then how, yeah, I can do it in level setup. I just set up the nodes. Okay. So node and then okay. So now those are the XY coordinates of the nodes, right? I'm just gonna do this. So n x equals 1500 and y equals 300, n plus equal 1. Yes. Now yeah, let's just do that, okay, for now. And x equals 300 and y equals 700 and x equals 200 and y equals 100. And x equals 0 and y equals 100. Okay, so now I don't know if I strictly need that, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna go here, int used. Okay, I'm just gonna do it, and then here, and used equals 1. Right. And then now when I draw the path, equals and x and y while n used and x and y. Okay, and that should do the same thing in theory. Line join I did it again. Oops, I did it again. Not that. Okay, so that's pretty good. It's the same thing, except that it's more, well, it's more generalized. But now, when I go to game logic, okay, and then here those villains, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make them move them along the node. Okay, so it won't be simply a matter of, well, move along the thing. Oh, x minus 1. No, now it's a move along the node. Right. Move along the node. Right. And how am I going to do that? The way I'm going to do that is I need to associate a node with the villain. Okay? And that node is going to have to be the node it just passed. Okay? Okay. So, node first node equals the path 0. if Vn, if not Vn, then Vn equals first node. Okay. Node current, vnode current equals, and node next equals null. I don't know if null is defined here. Okay. If not defined, null. Define null as okay. So here we do current equals Vn, and we do next equals current plus 1. Now we're gonna have a problem when current is the last thing. Okay. That's not to worry for now. I'm gonna take another bathroom break. I'm just gonna be 2 seconds, and then I'm gonna write the rest of this. Okay, back again. Yeah, this code is not going to be easy to get right. There's quite a few complications here. Right. So one thing I've not even been addressing at all is the speed. Okay. Okay. That's one thing I've not addressed at all. Yeah. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the creature move 100 of the way from node to node. Now that's not good, but I just want to tackle one problem at a time. The problem I want to tackle right now is I want a creature to move from node to node. So that's what I'm going to do. And then next thing, I'm going to deal with the speed. Okay. So 100 of the distance. Okay, so we're gonna have int dx, int dy, and int dist. Okay. Dx equals current x minus next x, dy equals current y minus next y. Dist equals dx time dx dy times dy okay, and distance. Okay, now I think I need to include math.h. Okay, and I'll have to set a compiler flag in a minute as well, but I'll deal with that when we get there. So the distance, okay, that is one aspect. So now I know the distance. What then do I want to do? Well, I have to move 100 of that. Does it actually matter what the distance is? Okay. I'm sure that's not right. Okay. But it might do for now. No. Oh yeah, but those creatures. Yeah. So villain create. So here. So okay, what I need to do is and then okay, because obviously it spawns at the first node. Okay. Right. Okay. So render the path, render the villains. Okay. somewhere here something is wrong. Oh yeah, part of the problem is here that I'm not working with doubles. So when I do dx divided by 100, these are integers, so the fraction I add might be nothing. That doesn't explain why I don't see the red dots at all, though. Okay. I'm just gonna have to step through it. What is Vx and Vy? So 275. B275. Okay, 1500. 296. Yeah, that's... Yeah. That's... That should work. Okay, maybe they just move from the screen so fast. Okay. So if I do this, okay, yeah, it's shut off the screen. Okay, current x minus next x. That x is gonna be a smaller number. That's gonna be a bigger number, so that's gonna be positive. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That wasn't too bad. I mean, it actually followed the path. Right. Okay. Brilliant. So really that simple. Okay, I'm gonna do something here now that is going to be a bit quick and rough and ready, but okay. If Vx smaller than current x, then current plus equal 1, Vn equals current. Okay. That totally didn't work, as I shouldn't be surprised about. Vy equals current Y. That might improve it a little bit. Only by a little bit. See, the path moves from right to left, right? So yeah, I should code this properly, but I just want to see like a very rough and ready dot moving along the path, right? So Vx will get smaller and smaller if Vx is smaller than current x. Probably should make that smaller or equal. No. Smaller equal than next. Then current plus equal 1. And then next plus equal 1. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. I mean, it doesn't look like much, but hey, it does it, right? Okay. I've been streaming for 2 hours, so what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a break. I don't know when I'm coming back, okay? But I'm gonna take a break, then I'm gonna stream again, and I'm gonna improve this. Okay, there's lots of improving to be done here. Okay, so I thank you for watching, and I'll be back real soon. Okay, thank you.